Want to create high converting SaaS website in just few hours? You are in the right place. Your website is your 24/7 sales machine, but hiring a developer is expensive and slow. Today I will show you how to build a SaaS website using Webflow template. No coding is required. By the end, you will have a site that's fast, modern and optimized to convert visitors into customers. But if you don't have a time to do it yourself, no worries. As a Webflow premium partner with 17 years experience, I can help you build a website that actually works. Just book a free consultation call and let's chat about your project. Here is what we will cover today. First, we will start with planning your SaaS website. Second, we structure your website. Next, we will choose the right Webflow template. Then we will set up your Webflow. Once that's done, we will dive into customizing your website, and of course, we will go through the publishing and launching process with post-launch strategies. Make sure to like this video, subscribe and stick around until the end because I have got some amazing resources for you. A collection of premium and free templates plus a valuable PDF to help you even know. Alright, let's jump into the first step. Step 1. Plan your SaaS website. Before you start designing your SaaS website, you need a clear plan. Your website is not just about looking good. It's a tool to turn your visitors into paying customers. That means you need to understand your product's value, your target audience, how to guide users towards sign up. A strong SaaS business model is foundation of high converting website. If you are not clear on what you offer, who is for and how it solves problem, your site won't deliver results. So, let's break it down and plan your SaaS website for maximum conversion. At first, define the problem you solve. Your SaaS must solve a clear problem. If it is project management tool, the team may be struggling with organization. If it is not finance app, the problem is tracking expenses. Make this super clear on your homepage. Visitors should instantly know the problem you solve. Next, identify your target audience. Who will benefit from your SaaS? Businesses, freelancers, or individuals? If your SaaS for e-commerce businesses, don't just mention analytics. Focus on real-time sales tracking and abundant cart recovery. The more tailored your approach, the higher your conversions. Now, let's see how to change visitors into users. Your website should make it easy for people to start. Here are 4 simple ways SaaS companies do this. First, we have free trial. Users can try before they buy. Big names like Notion, Webflow, and Canvas use this. Next is demo call. Perfect for high converting SaaS. Companies like HubSpot and Salesforce rely on this to convert leads. Then we have got subscription plans, monthly or yearly payments just like Netflix and Adobe. And finally, one-time payment. Pay once, use forever. This was great for businesses looking for long-term solutions. Pick the right template and make it easy for your users to sign up. Step 2. Now that you have planned your SaaS business, it's the time to structure your website. If you are building SaaS website, every page needs to guide visitors towards sign up or buying. But most sites miss a key elements that actually drive conversion. In this section, I will show you how to structure your SaaS website page by page to turn your visitors into customers. At first, homepage. Your homepage should grab attention fast. A clear headline, a short value description, and a strong CTA like start free trial. If they are interested, they will check the feature page. But here is the mistake most SaaS sites make. They list features instead of real benefits. Instead of saying AI-powered analytics, say get instant insights to boost productivity. Focus on what users gain, not just what your product does. If they are hooked, the next step is your pricing page. Most people drop off here because the pricing is confusing. Keep it simple, clear and scannable. Highlight your best value plan, and if you offer custom pricing, make it easy to reach you. Before buying, people want to trust you. That's where the About Us page comes in. Tell your story. Why did you start your SaaS? What makes you different? So real-time photos, client logos or media pictures. Small trust signals make a big impact. Next, the contact page. Make it super easy for visitors to reach you. A simple form with name, email and message is enough. If you offer demos or live chat, highlight that. If you are high-ticket SaaS, add a schedule call button with Calendly. Next, not everyone is ready to buy. Some needs more info. That's why blog page is crucial. Great content helps you rank on Google, build trust and attract leads. Write how-to guides, case studies and expert insights. If you need blog ideas actually bring leads, I have got you. Book a free call, link in the description. At last, even if everything looks great, people need reassurance. So real customer success stories with names and results. No testimonials yet. Use security badges, client logos or stats like 1000+ businesses trust us. These build credibility fast. Step 3. Now thus we have outlined your website structure. It's time to select the perfect template for your SaaS. Picking the right Webflow template for your SaaS business is like choosing the perfect outfit. You want it to fit well, look professional, and most importantly, make a strong first impression. But with thousands of templates out there, how do you know which one is the best? Let me break it down for you. At first, conversion-focused design. Your website should guide visitors towards action, whether that is a sign up, starting a free trial, or booking a demo. Look for the template with clear, easy to spot call to action buttons and a sleek, modern UI that grabs attention. Next, check for SEO optimized structure. If no one can find your website, what's that point? So pick the template with good structure and clean code to rank higher on Google. Third, the most important, mobile-friendly layout. Most of your visitors will check out your site on their phones. If your template is not mobile optimized, you could be losing potential customers in seconds. Make sure it looks great on all screen sizes. If you are in budget, Webflow has a great free templates to help you start. But if you want a top-notch website, go for the premium template. It's a smart investment. To save your time, I have created a quick PDF guide on choosing the best Webflow templates for your SaaS website. It has a list of free and premium templates that convert. Grab it from the description now. Step 4. Now that you have got the foundation ready, let's get into your Webflow project setup. First, head over to webflow.com and log in. Now grab a free or premium Webflow template from the link in the description. I have made it super simple for you. Next, check out the templates and pick one that matches your vision. Once you choose, Webflow will load it right into the dashboard. Just name your project. Now before customizing, let's match it your brand. Go to the style manager and set your colors, fonts and design elements. Keep everything consistent, button, headings, all of it. Then let's focus site content. Write SEO-friendly headlines, description and CTAs to grab attention and boost visibility. And remember, your CTA should be clear and compelling to drive conversions. If you are unsure how to create your SaaS website content, no worries. I have got you covered with a PDF guide I put together. Grab it from the description to get pro tips on creating content that resonates with your audience. Finally, gather your images, videos and icons. Make sure they are high quality and optimized for fast loading. And that's it. Your Webflow website is good to go. Step 5. Let's move on customizing your Webflow template. Click Open Site. First, let's match the template to your brand. Go to Variables, Base Collection and update your brand colors and fonts. This will automatically apply across the entire site, so you don't have to change each element manually. Now let's fix the navigation and footer. Click the menu bar, select the link and update the text and URL in the settings panel. Do the same for footer links so they point to the correct pages like About, Contact and Legal. Third, it's time to replace all placeholder content with your own. Start with the text, just click the any text block and start typing. If you need to adjust the font size or color, use the style panel on the right. Next, let's change the images. Click on any image, go to settings panel, hit replace image to upload your own. Now let's make sure your forms are set up correctly. Click any form, open the form settings, check where the submissions are going. If needed, update the email or connect it to the CRM like HubSpot or MailChimp. Next, we are moving to SEO settings. Open the Pages panel, click the settings icon. Next to each page, add your meta title and description. Don't forget to add all text for images. Just select the image to go to settings and type the short description. Next, adding analytics. To keep track of who is visiting your site and how they are interacting with, you will need to set up analytics. Just head over Site Settings, then click on Apps and Integration tab. Here you will find the option to Measurement ID for Google Analytics. Simply paste your tracking ID or connect and view Site Analytics using the new Google Site tools in the Webflow app. You will also add options, integrate Google Maps, set up Metapixel to track events on your site and connect third-party apps to access your site data seamlessly. Now it's time to make sure your site looks great on mobile devices. At the top of the Webflow, you will see device icons. Click on them, switch between different screen sizes like tablet, mobile. Go through each page carefully and check everything aligned properly. Pay close attention to text sizes, button replacement and images to ensure they are readable and easy to interact with. A smooth, responsive design will make sure your site looks professional and functions perfectly on any device. Alright, once your site looks perfect on all devices, the next step is test it before going to live. And good news, Webflow makes this super easy with staging domain. Just click Publish, select the staging domain, hit Publish again. Now go through every page carefully, click on all buttons, test links and submit forms to make sure everything works as expected. If you are happy with staging domain, you can keep using it, but if you want to custom domain, you will need to purchase a Webflow plan, either the basic or CMS plan depending on your needs. Once you have got the plan, you can easily connect your domain to Webflow. And if you don't already have a domain, no worries, you can buy one from any domain provider, then connect it simply as that. And that's it, your SaaS Webflow site is fully customized and live. If you are serious about growing your SaaS business, having a strong SEO and marketing strategy is crucial to attracting right clients who are actively searching for your product. In my next video, I will be breaking down how to use SEO and paid ads effectively to drive traffic and convert visitors into customers. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you don't miss out. Alright, let's conclude. Today you learned how to create great looking SaaS website using a Webflow template. I hope this guide made things simple for you. Your website is super important because it's the first thing people see. So make sure it looks good and works well. If you found this video is helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the future videos. If you are struggling with Webflow, Framer or WordPress, I have got you. Book a free consultation call, link in the description. Also check the description for useful resources and templates to save time. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.